tech enthusiasts and automotive aficionados, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something incredibly exciting to share with you, the ultimate guide to the best backup cameras of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just getting behind the wheel, having a reliable backup camera can make all the difference when it comes to safety, convenience, and peace of mind. In this video we have listed the top best backup camera and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So let's get started. Number 5. LEELOOLUU LK3 Backup Camera is a versatile and dependable addition to your vehicle. Its plug-and-play design, stable 1080p HD image transmission, and resistance to extreme temperatures and water make it a top choice. Customizable parking grid lines and image flipping options add to its versatility. The 4.3-inch LCD monitor is easily adjustable for optimal placement and visibility. With superb night vision and a 3-year warranty, it ensures safety day and night. LEELOOLUU's outstanding customer support, including a 30-day money-back guarantee, makes this camera system a smart investment for enhancing your driving experience. Number 4. Foxpark Solar 3 Wireless Backup Camera is a game-changer for safer reversing. Its 1080p 5-inch monitor delivers clear images day and night. The solar panel keeps it charged for long trips, and USB charging is available when sunlight is scarce. Installation is a breeze with just a screwdriver, no wiring required. This camera can handle any weather, thanks to its IP69 waterproof rating and advanced design. It's also versatile, allowing placement on the front, rear, or side of your vehicle. The Foxpark Solar 3 offers clear, sustainable, and hassle-free backup camera functionality for confident and safe driving. Number 3. Garmin BC 30 Wireless Backup Camera seamlessly integrates with Garmin Drive, Nuvi, and Diesel GPS navigators, enhancing vehicle safety during reverse maneuvers. Its straightforward setup allows for easy toggling between camera and navigation modes. With wireless video transmission up to 45 feet on the 2.4 GHz ISM radio band, it ensures a reliable rear-view display. While the camera's 240p resolution may not match HD standards, it remains practical for parking and obstacle avoidance. Its rugged design can withstand harsh weather conditions. Although a compatible Garmin navigator is required, this backup camera is a reliable tool for safer and more efficient reverse driving. Number 2. Boscam K7 Wireless Backup Camera offers an effortless solution for vehicle reversing. Using advanced frequency hopping technology, it ensures interference-free signal coverage up to 33 feet, with the option to extend it further using a free antenna. Its no-frills 5-inch monitor strikes a perfect balance between usability and subtlety. Installation is simplified thanks to wireless transmission between the camera and monitor, eliminating the need for complex wiring. The camera is universally compatible with various vehicles and operates effectively in low light conditions. Boscam backs this product with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 1-year warranty, and lifetime technical support, making it a reliable choice for safer and stress-free parking and reversing. Number 1. DoHonest V25 Wireless Backup Camera is a reliable addition to any vehicle, offering a stable signal with a 33-foot range. Its hassle-free installation integrates the transmitter into the camera, making setup a breeze. With dual camera support, you can add versatility to your setup. The IP69 waterproof rating and 7 LED night vision lights ensure reliable performance in all conditions. Customizable guidelines and a wide 150 degrees angle view reduce blind spots, while mirror and normal facing modes offer flexibility. DoHonest backs this camera with a 3-year warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee, and lifetime technical support, making it a solid choice for safer reversing. So that wraps up our list of the best backup cameras. Hope you find this video helpful, so don't forget to give us a thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. We'd love to hear which backup camera caught your attention. Please leave us a comment below and tell us what your top pick is. We can't wait to see you in our next video, so if this video was a game changer for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you later.